And welcome back to mine and Kenzie's channel. Today I got a slime package, and this is what it came in. It says Trinity Gorgeous Slimes. I have activator and lotion and stuff over here. We just have a random bowl.
We made slime last night.
Yeah, but this is not it. So we're gonna open it. No, I closed it. Oh no, and there's no note. That's just totally. But whatever. So this one is vanilla batter, I think, because she said that the names are coming off.
Okay guys, so this is vanilla batter. It's like a yellow color and it's really pretty. It's not that loud though, like the clinkies. It's not that loud. But we're gonna let Trey finish his slime. And yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the slime. We actually made spots. It's very jiggly, but very stretchy. Oh, stretchy. Oh, stretchy. I'm gonna use that for my white one because I don't want to get any colors in it.
Okay. Yeah, because she sent us a white one right here, guys.
Yeah, because I already saw these. I looked at them in the bag. So let's get on to the next one.
Okay, guys, so I'm doing this sky one, and it's a really pretty blue. Like, look at that blue, guys. It's like
It looks like not that pretty on camera.
Whoa, you guys are coming off the tripod thing.
The tripod thingy.
Crap, I need to adjust the camera. Okay, guys, I'm gonna zoom in just a little. Okay, so let's do the clicks.
She made some really bad sounds.
This one is really. Oh, it ripped, guys. That's not good. This is stretchy. I'm gonna try to make a swirl.
Okay. I'm not gonna show her because she has. You can tell them if you want.
Yeah, guys, we don't want to be on camera because we're sick.
I'm really sick, and she just she has cramps and stuff. So we're just gonna leave each other off camera. And yeah, guys, so let's get on to the next one. So the next one we pulled out is zoom in. Okay, the next one we pulled out, well, I pulled out is rock. I don't even know if that's how you spell rock. No, dang.
It's okay.
Her lips are bleeding, guys. That's funny.
Unless it's still the lipstick.
No, my lips are chaps. Okay, so this is a pretty big slime. Oh, it's sticky. Oh my god, it feels like there's. You can feel it. It feels like there's. It can feel glue. It feels like she added a little bit of extra glue.
Yeah, my hands are sticking now.
Extra glue before she sent him. But I really like it. It's really good. So let's hear the clip. Let's hear the bubbles. Oh, well, that was weak because I didn't do any. Pretty bad. Now let's do a swirl. Let's do the stretching test.
It's not that stretchy.
What is this in my slime?
Wait, is that a gem?
Let's see. Don't show me doing this. So guys, I let her do the swirl because I'm horrible at swirls. So let's poke it now.
Guys, it's way darker on camera than it is in real life. It's actually really light gray.
Yeah, let me see on camera. It really is dark. Yeah, guys, see how horrible I am at swirls? Yes, I know, I'm horrible.
Okay, so let's get on to the next slime. Guys, last but not least is this cloud slime.
No, there's one more.
Yeah, last but not least. So, I think this is supposed to be a fluffy slime.
Yeah, let me feel. That's really fluffy. And she added glue before she sent it, just like she did to this rock one.
And it's
Sorry.
not that stretchy, guys. It's like hard to stretch and it rips.
Yeah, that's what I don't like about fluffy slimes. They don't really stretch that much. This is like a mold slime.
Okay, I'm gonna try to attempt to make a swirl. Perfect, right?
No.
It's not that good.
Yeah.
So let's get on to the last slime. Oh god.
Next, we have this bubblegum slime. This is the last one in the kit. So we got 5 slimes. We were supposed to get 5 more, but I guess she didn't send in. That's really disappointing. She added glue.
Oh.
I was talking to her. Sorry, guys. Off camera. So let's make a swirl.
Ew.
Let's see, guys. Let's make another one because that's horrible. It wasn't even that much. Okay. It's a really good slime.
Okay.
No, I thought you were showing me. Oh!
No, I just showed your shirt.
Oh, sorry, guys. I'm not in a shirt. I'm in a nightgown. You guys hear that? I'm joking. Why does that keep happening? Okay. Now we're going to make a swirl. I guess that's pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
And she sent us some extra glue.
So we're going to make some
Slime on camera.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to make my slime first. Let me get my bowl. It's a little dirty because it's a slime bowl.
Oh, yeah, and she sent us this, and all the gems are gone. This is disappointing.
So I think I'm going to make a fluffy slime. So
We have all of our stuff over here, y'all.
this is my glue. Elmer's
Yeah,
glue.
mine has less. You guys can't see that. I showed you here. Yeah, we're using this knob thingy instead of this because we're going to make just that little bit at a time right now because we don't know if our activator is going to work because it's cold. Okay, Kenzie, this should be good. Don't use all your glue because what about if it doesn't work?
Okay, guys, so I'm going to add some
Shaving cream. And all of this is going into my slime.
Yeah. Guys, I gotta go get different shaving cream because this one is almost gone and it's watery, so.
Okay, so while she's downstairs, I'm going to make a little bit just to tell her if the activator works. So I'll tell you guys too. Okay, guys, so it does work. Yeah, it's really sticky still. I always get them out when they're really, really sticky. Okay. I'm sorry about my cough.
Okay, guys, so I just went and got some more shaving cream because there's the old one over there. And I'm going to add some.
Why I'm kneading my slime over here. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to take it.
Yeah, she's going to take it. And I think I added too much shaving cream.
Not really. You could have a fluffy slime. So which one will this go to? It could go to the bubble gum.
That one?
No, that one.
No, I'm going to get a container.
From where?
Downstairs.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So this is going to go to the sky.
I'm going to add some more glue.
I feel like that one's mine.
No, yours is over.
Okay. No, I started glue. And I have $3 more, y'all, so I am going to go get some more glue someday.
I think we're going to stop at the Dollar Tree and get some more containers.
Yeah.
I think we should get the rectangle ones.
Rectangle.
Okay, guys.
And more glue.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get 2 more bottles of glue for $1 and then get the container for $1.
This is going to be a little
Black. So this might go to her thunder.
Yeah.
Because she ordered a thunder. Did you activate it already?
No.
And look, guys, it's already coming. I wouldn't even activate that.
You need to.
Because look, the shaving cream just makes it activate. And I'm over here playing with mine.
Oh, yeah, that does need activator.
Oh, yeah, you guys can see my mixing utensil. I'm sorry.
So I just added a little activator.
This is so tiring.
What? Holding the can.
Mm-hmm.
Almost done. Okay. I'm gonna start kneading with my hands, guys.
Oh, what was I vlogging?
The shaving cream.
I was like this. But she said that because I'm just sitting here looking at my slime.
I forgot to add lotion, guys. And I just overactivated this.
There's a lotion.
You can add 2 pumps of lotion. And make it.
Okay, guys, this is not really a slime package.
It's a spoof.
Yeah, it's a spoof because I actually made these last night. She made hers last night, too. It's a spoof. That's why we have barely any glue left. Don't log the shaving cream. Oh, I think that's garbage.
No, I Okay, so I'm gonna go rinse my hands out because I have a bunch of lotion on it. And I'm gonna try to fix this stuff.
Okay, guys, while she's doing that, I'm gonna make me a slime. And I can't. It's just sad. I can't make one. Okay. So So I'll see you guys when she gets back. Okay, guys, so she's back. That was kind of quick.
I fixed it, guys.
Because we have a bathroom up here, too. Because we can't do our house tour because our mom doesn't want us to. Can I feel it? That's actually pretty good.
You want it?
Hindu, why don't you want it?
Because I don't want it.
Wait a minute. I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to ruin my rock. Just mix it in. Okay, guys. Did you just mix it? Oh, no, you did. Oh, actually, that's actually pretty. I added some of mine to hers because. Put some lotion in it now. Because. What happened is I had too much, so I gave her some. And now she has a lot.
What?
Can't text. Our coach just texted.
No, that was Grammy.
No, the first time it was Karen, our coach, and she said, practice tonight.
Yeah, 5 to 6.
I'm not going. I don't feel good.
Then you won't get your pin.
Oh, yeah. We hit 0 pin. Well, why would Krista get one?
Senior's going to.
No, you have 3. She always has more than me. You have more bows than me. You have more medals than me.
Mm-hmm.
Because the medal I got from somebody. Because I didn't earn it.
Because she's kind of making a medal.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
I gotta make one.
You did.
Nuh-uh.
Mm-hmm.
I made it off camera, Kenzie. Really? No, I filmed you.
Don't show my face.
No. And you have to film me. Okay, whatever. Okay, guys, I'm gonna find a way to do this.